Well, next tonight, tracking the spread of COVID-19 and other viruses through our wastewater. That's what's happening in Erie County, and scientists are optimistic it could be used to trace the source of the spread.
And so this is actually not new. We've used wastewater-based epidemiology to detect opioids, to detect poliovirus in wastewater, but it's really taken off with SARS-CoV-2.
Well, here is a closer look. Public health officials say wastewater testing can provide an unbiased snapshot of community health. Researchers have been using wastewater to monitor the spread of polio, norovirus, influenza, hepatitis, even measles for more than 40 years. Most recently, wastewater testing can identify COVID-19 up to 2 weeks before people would actually get the symptoms. And that early detection can flag issues before there are large-scale outbreaks. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Olivia Proya shows us how the process works.
Experts call it a game changer.
So if we know that somewhere there's a disease outbreak that's endemic and we're worried about it becoming the next pandemic, we can start monitoring that in our wastewater, and we can see it arrive much earlier than symptoms and people actually going, to hospitals and things like that. We can detect it weeks earlier.
I look at wastewater surveillance is sort of our early warning system. And if we see a sudden upward trend, we'll know that we have to start looking for cases, diagnose individuals, and then apply the appropriate public health measures to minimize further cases.
Erie County is now testing wastewater for COVID-19.
So when people go to the bathroom and they're sick with COVID-19, they excrete some of those virus particles into the wastewater.
A PCR test run on that wastewater can determine if someone is excreting the virus.
And we've been able to see the trends in wastewater can show what's going to happen in the community by up to 2 weeks before hospitalizations. So there is early detection and early warning of trends.
And with early knowledge of trends, the Department of Health can respond.
So we need to respond with education in that community. We need to respond with offering aggressive testing.
This way they can limit the spread of COVID-19. It's been successful in the past, and the method is used across the globe to detect other viruses.
We've used this worldwide for poliovirus. So we've been able to detect areas, where we need to ramp up vaccination.
The University of Buffalo even tested its own wastewater for COVID-19.
I think the UB pilot program was extraordinarily successful. We've established baselines. We could detect single cases coming out of a dormitory.
Experts say this can be utilized for more than just COVID-19, a tool that could come in handy in the future.
So that's what's really exciting is this doesn't have to be just for COVID-19. We can detect new outbreaks of new disease.
Olivia Proya, 7 Eyewitness News.
And researchers across the globe are teaming up on similar efforts. A group at the University of California is working with other scientists to create a wastewater tracking website. It pinpoints more than 2,200 monitoring sites in 54 countries.